Hi guys, it's me, and today we're diving into a display that's built for collaboration, interaction, and serious productivity. This is the Dell 55-inch touch interactive 4K Monitor C5518QT Renewed, and it's designed for environments where a regular monitor just isn't enough. This screen makes an impact the moment you walk into the room. A 55-inch display instantly turns any space into a presentation and collaboration zone. It's ideal for offices, classrooms, meeting rooms, and creative studios where multiple people need to view and interact with content at the same time. The 4K Ultra HD resolution is a key feature here. With a resolution of 3840 by 2160, everything looks sharp and professional. Text is easy to read from across the room. Images look detailed, and videos appear clean and smooth. This level of clarity is especially important when working with data, design layouts, or detailed presentations. Touch interaction is where this display truly stands out. Multi-touch support allows several users to work on the screen simultaneously. You can write notes, highlight key points, move objects, zoom into content, and interact naturally using your fingers or a compatible stylus. This makes meetings more engaging and lessons more interactive, encouraging real participation instead of passive viewing. The touch response feels accurate and smooth, with minimal delay. Writing and drawing feel natural, which is important for brainstorming sessions and explanations. The glass surface is durable and built for daily use, making it suitable for busy professional and educational environments. Color quality is consistent, and the wide viewing angles ensure everyone sees the same image quality no matter where they're standing. Brightness levels are strong enough for well-lit rooms, reducing glare and keeping content clearly visible during the day. Connectivity is another strong point. Multiple HDMI ports, DisplayPort, USB ports, and USB Type-C support make it easy to connect laptops, desktops, and other devices. USB pass-through helps reduce cable clutter by allowing accessories like keyboards, mice, and cameras to connect directly to the display. Built-in speakers are included for convenience. They provide clear audio for video calls, presentations, and basic media playback. While external speakers will always offer better sound, the built-in audio is perfectly suitable for everyday professional use. The design is clean and professional, staying true to Dell's business-focused aesthetic. Slim bezels keep the focus on the content, while the solid build ensures long-term reliability. Since this is a renewed unit, it offers the same performance and functionality at a more affordable price, making it a practical choice for organizations working within a budget. This display is best suited for teamwork, teaching, and collaborative creativity. It's not designed for competitive gaming or high refresh rate entertainment, but for productivity and interaction, it delivers exactly what it promises. Overall, the Dell 55-inch touch interactive 4K Monitor C5518QT Renewed is a powerful solution for anyone looking to improve collaboration and communication through technology. If you want to buy this Dell 55-inch touch interactive 4K monitor, then please visit the link provided in the description.